So we've just arrived at, we found it on Google, the Heritage Museum and Centre, and it looks like it says stuff from the time of the First and Second World War and all sorts of memorabilia and stuff. So we don't exactly know what to expect, but the drive in here looks really nice. So here we go. We're going to see what we find. Join us.
One of the most striking pieces here is the World War II Crusader tank, affectionately known as Margaret. Fast, agile and iconic, the Crusader played a vital role for British and Commonwealth forces during the North African campaign. Standing here today, Margaret represents the bravery and the innovation that helped shape the outcome of the war. Nearby, you'll find two impressive anti-aircraft guns, each with a story of its own. The first, named Vicky, was part of the defensive backbone that protected Allied troops from enemy aircraft. The second, known as Sandy, is a veteran of the Italian campaign, having been used during World War II as Allied forces pushed north through some of the toughest fighting of the war. Together, Margaret, Vicky and Sandy form a powerful reminder of the machinery, the men and the moments that defined a generation. This is the courtyard, a quiet little space that comes alive the moment you step inside. And right here is the Cock and Bull pub, a lively, character-filled spot where the music never seems to stop. Music played throughout the week and on weekends, giving this place a warm, familiar energy that keeps people coming back. Just a short walk away, there's a hall where the locals gather for pool tournaments. It's competitive, it's friendly, and trust me, it's a very interesting place to hang around and watch the games unfold. Right next door, tucked neatly against the courtyard, is a small office, and guarding it, although he mostly guards his sleep, is the resident Rottweiler, big, calm and absolutely unbothered by anything going on around him. But what really caught us off guard is what lies just inside the building entrance near the dog. Something special, something we didn't expect at all, and it surprised both of us in the best way.
No, it's a Ford.
It's a model.
And it's, oh my gosh, imagine driving all that way.
Yeah,
from New York to Seattle.
23 days.
23 days?
Yeah.
And it went.
It went, and you must remember that only first 200 miles were road. The rest was open field.
So it's like the ultimate 4x4.
Yeah.
And he's got the...
23 days. Yeah, this one doesn't have a self-starter, you've got to crank it.
Oh, have you got to crank it? Oh,
wow, isn't that fantastic?
Yeah, this one we've been unsuccessful in running it because there's a problem with something on the engine that we can't get it to run reliably.
Oh no, it's great.
But that's it, it's a replica.
And this one?
This one?
This tie is amazing,
Are
aren't
you
they?
filming this?
Yeah.
I hope you are. I want you to film it.
Yeah, this...
Look at this motorbike.
Is it nice?
It's a Honda.
Yeah,
It's so pretty.
1985, I think.
Oh, that's all right. No wonder it's pretty.
This is 1934 Armstrong Siddeley. It was a four-door, four-seater place, and we decided to make it into a two-seater sports car.
Oh.
So that's what you're working on?
Yeah, not at the moment on this one, but that one.
Yeah.
So how fast will that
Good
go?
morning.
Pardon?
How
How
fast
are
will
you?
it go?
Excellent,
Very
thank
fast.
you.
Will it?
Now, we've got this original
Massive engine,
six-cylinder engine, but that's a Rolls-Royce.
What?
It's an 8-cylinder Rolls-Royce engine. And in the 50s, they used those engines in their troop carriers and things in the army.
Oh, really?
So
Wow, that's interesting, isn't it?
this one has got no hydraulic brakes, it's got cable brakes. And
What does that mean? Oh,
you're going to have lots
Got
of
it.
leg muscles when you drive it.
to put that foot down on the brake.
Yeah. Now this one has got what's called a Wilson pre-selector gearbox.
Oh, so it's on the steering wheel?
Yeah. So you put it in neutral, and then you go to low gear, and you pull off as you're driving normally.
Like an automatic?
Yeah. Then when you're up to speed, you you go to the next gear and you just push the pedal in and let it go and it changes automatically.
All right.
Oh, the original
So-
automatic.
So how old is the car?
1934.
34.
Wow.
So
Hey,
what's the
people,
radius? What-
people have been brilliant forever though, haven't they?
So it's like one of the first automatics then?
No, it isn't.
It's not?
They use these gearboxes in buses.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, you know, if you went in the old diesel buses, you could hear the sound of the engine as they were accelerating and changing gears.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I mean, the tyres are... They're like solid
All these
tyres.
parts.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
If you stand here, if you look at this as a motor car, what you see is missing.
Well, there's accelerator, brake, and clutch. The gearbox, the gear stick.
Yeah, okay.
So
yeah,
where's
the
the
gear
gear stick?
Right.
So that's a brake.
So this is a parking brake. It's got only brakes on the back wheels.
Yeah.
But no brakes.
Ooh.
So when you release this pedal,
Yeah.
this pedal comes into play.
Oh, right, yeah, I've seen that.
Oh.
Yeah, moving,
When
yeah.
you push this pedal in,
Yeah,
you're in low gear.
right.
So
When you
that,
leave it, you're in high gear.
so the clutch acted as the gear.
Yeah. So it's either low
Fantastic.
gear or high gear.
Wow.
If you push it halfway till neutral,
Yes.
and you push this pedal,
Yeah.
then you're in reverse gear.
Oh my word. So it's a little bit complicated.
And this is a brake.
All right.
Oh my
that is
goodness.
complicated.
It's a brake
And what's
on-
the top speed? What was the top speed?
I've driven one like this at 58 kilometers an hour.
No way.
And the
That's
guys-
about 40 miles an hour, I would
And
imagine.
the guys tell me they've done 85
What?
kilometers an hour. Yeah.
Wow. That's
And
fantastic.
then this is your accelerator.
There.
I can see
On
that.
the gear. No, it's here. Look,
I know,
oh, you
but
can see
it's
it's
moving.
moving.
Yeah.
But it's moving that on that.
Oh my word.
And this is your timing. You can alter the timing of your spark from
On that?
here.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for telling us.
amazing.
These seats though look comfy, you know.
Yeah. We
But it hasn't really got a
How many
suspension.
it's an Austin 7.
Austin 7 frame.
All the bits
Oh,
and pieces.
are there.
Yeah, and then there's an Austin 10 engine.
Sure. Unbelievable. Look at this old table. Wow. I mean, this old table's amazing. That is beautiful.
Yeah, this Model T
Yeah.
is a 3-liter engine,
3 litre.
4-cylinder,
Did it take diesel or
no
petrol?
and it's only
maybe
20
diesel.
horsepower. You know, modern 3-liter engine to 250 horsepower. This one's 20.
Well, 20 horsepower anyway. I'd go for 20 horsepower. That is amazing.
It's a shame that you know, let it run down onto the, you know,
Yeah,
funding
you
for
know,
it, because when they come across it on the internet.
We saw it on the internet because we were looking for places
Yeah, and I
to
thought, oh,
do
that's
and look
interesting.
at. And when we saw this place, we thought, I've never heard of it. And so we were so happy. I see there's some restaurants and that there. Are they well? Do people come to them?
Yeah, it's in development still. You know,
right.
the
Yeah.
pub gets very busy.
Right.
And then the pool room gets very busy. They
Nice.
play league pool,
Yeah, she said that.
Okay.
didn't she?
Yeah, she did. She did.
and then they have functions on Fridays and Saturdays. They have live music in the
We'll
pub.
definitely be coming
Yeah. Well,
because
we'll
this is
come out.
really lovely.
Yeah,
I mean,
I love these old workshops.
oh, it's just
Yeah, this
I
amazing.
mean, there's not many left in the UK now.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, we're right here in the high velds of.
That's how they know.
We're just over the Vaal River in what would have been the old Transvaal. Trans, in other words, over. So we live in the Free State, and this is the old Transvaal, which is now, it's part of Gauteng, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, part of Gauteng.
yeah. We've
In the,
got a couple of old tracks.
about 50 kilometers south of
We've
Johannesburg.
got
It's worth a visit. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Steam engine.
1911.
Steam engine.
I just heard that,
It's,
1911 steam engine.
It's a stationary steam engine they used for threshing and sawing wood and pumping.
Yeah.
In August we actually had it running again. It's a beautiful running Marshall.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah,
fantastic.
they still have a lot of steam engine rallies in the UK.
Yeah, I know my son and his family live in the UK.
Oh, where do they live? Oh, you don't have to say.
In Hinckley.
Oh, okay, that's near London.
Yeah.
No,
No.
it's half an hour from Leicester.
Oh, that's right.
Middle.
I know where Hinckley is.
We live near Nottingham.
We've been past Hinckley on the way to Birmingham.
Yeah,
There is I
they're
know
half
the
an hour
train.
from Birmingham,
Yes,
yeah.
that's right. I've been on the train through from Leicester. You know, Christmas time it was a tradition we used to go to the German market in Birmingham, but we'd catch the train, and so I know because it would stop at Hinckley.
Yeah.
So I don't know why I didn't
Hinckley
remember
and
that.
Nuneaton.
We live in the Peak District in a little village. Yeah.
We've been to the Peak District on holiday. We've been to the UK to visit our family.
Oh,
My
fantastic.
son's here at the moment. He goes back next Thursday.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
They have a big like a traction engine rally in the Peak District every year.
Yeah. No, I've been to a couple of those steam rallies when we've been over there.
Yeah.
Here, we don't have much steam. You know, there are a few, but they're few and far between.
Yeah.
And also, aren't you shocked at how much you have to pay to go into one of those rallies?
Yeah.
A
Expensive.
fortune. And that's one of the things we like about South Africa. A lot of places, the price to go in is minimal or nothing. Do you know what I mean? And that's so wonderful. And still, South African people, you're not supporting your own heritage. Come on,
Yeah.
get out there and look at it.
Yeah, we third weekend in August we had a car show down at the resort on the other side of the river.
Abraham's Rus,
Yeah.
somewhere there, yeah.
Yeah, it's the old Abrams, it's now called View on the Vaal or something.
Oh, okay.
We had a car show, we must have had about 1,000 motor cars there.
Wow, and
And that,
people came?
yeah, it was quite busy.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Good news, hey?
And so there is a movement, you know, there's a big motorcycle club, Centurion. They were here a little while ago.
Okay.
They travel around and then
Well, we have seen that there's a lot of, you know, we bought a little chimney when we came here, and what we're finding is that people have clubs like Landy clubs and chimney clubs, and so that's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And they go on their little rallies. They do in England as well.
yeah,
to be
we've
fair.
got a friend who's bought a chimney about beginning of the year,
Oh, yeah.
and they went on a rally to set up a Guinness record.
Yes, in the Cape.
Yeah, I see
my
that, yeah,
cousin
yeah.
was in that.
Yeah, where they opened and where they closed 1,500 doors or something
Yeah.
within a period.
I saw my cousin was in that, and with her little chimney, and I was like quite jealous. I thought, but we hadn't come over yet, and we didn't have our chimney. Chimney, yeah. We looked at a Ford Ranger, but there were too many variables about why we didn't buy it.
Yeah.
So
And
we
there was
just
no
stuck,
guarantee on it as well,
yeah.
which is-
So we just stuck to the chimney just because it's more reliable, we think, yeah.
So this is an amazing place. I'm glad we actually found it because the guy was so helpful. You know, he showed us his old cars. He's got an old MG which he's done up. He's showed me a photograph of it, and I love these places. And sometimes I see them on South Africa Today. This is an old windmill known as Pumping Joe. Once the heartbeat of this little settlement, creaking and turning in the African breeze. Just a few steps away stands the old post office and telegraph office, a reminder of the days when messages travelled by wire and handwritten letters carried the stories of entire families. Across from it is the general store, the kind of place that stocked a bit of everything: tools, household goods, and occasionally a little treat if you were lucky. Right next door you'll find the seed and feed store, a lifeline for local farmers who relied on this tiny hub for their crops and livestock. And finally, resting quietly in retirement, an old train carriage, a relic from a time when the railway was the only way in or out of this community. Just around the corner is Urban Vines, a charming restaurant that's serving delicious meals at great prices. They offer a lovely selection of wines, beers, coffee and tea. And the best part, you can sit right in the vineyard itself under the grapevines. An amazing place to relax and soak in the atmosphere.
We're at this place called Heritage Vine or something like that. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's only about 10 minutes away, isn't it?
Yeah, we found it on Google.
Yeah.
When we arrived here, we walked. It's like a little village.
Yeah.
With old stuff from the First and Second World War.
Yeah.
With old farm implements. And then we walked into this place and it was actually closed, but the man said, no, come. He showed us this Model T Ford, like with 2 seats. We did a whole video on it. And
this place,
oh my gosh.
All a great.
Yes, I'm going to turn the camera around.
It's like a
and show
vineyard,
you. We're sitting in a vineyard I'm having passion fruit and I'm having passion fruit and water. He's having a non-alcoholic
beer.
Heineken. Let's go and have a look at what we're going to see.